Microfish. We've all at some points in our lives been ill or sick and had to go to the hospital or emergency room or even just our beds. Now imagine being bitten by a snake and you know that your life would depend only on minutes, and maybe you don't get on time to the emergency room or medicine doesn't travel as fast in your body and you could end up losing body parts or even your life. Now, the object that I brought today, I think it's a solution for um, uh, bringing medicine to your body rapidly. So I'm gonna talk about, first of all, the development, who is developing this technology and how is it being developed. The second point I'm gonna talk about is how the technology works and what are the technical aspects of microfiche. And third, I'm gonna talk about the advantages and of how it can help our lives. So first, microfiche. Where did this word come from? It comes from the union of two words with our microbots and fish. Microbots comes from bots, small bots, and fish, because of its singular shape that it has, it's shaped basically like a fish. Uh, this project is being developed in the Jacobs School of Engineering at the University of San Diego, California, by two PhD students who are Xing Li and Wei Su, and they took 3D printing to the next level. Now, so you know what is the capacity that microfiche has. I brought to you today a scaled 3D printed model that we use in architecture. Now, these models are made of plastic. In architecture, we use them because we need precise cuts and even any scale that we need. But these guys took 3D printing to the next level because they brought the scale down. And in architecture, we use feet and inches, but here you use microns, which are compared to inches. I brought you the example of my research, and is that a single microbot measures 0.004 times 0.001 inches. That's a really, really small scale. It's even thinner than a human's hair. Now, what are the technological aspects of microfiche? How do they work? We can divide the microfiche in two parts. First of all, the tail. In the tail, they inserted platinum nanoparticles, and how they work is that water has hydrogen peroxide, and also blood has hydrogen peroxide. Right now, it has been tested in water, and platinum reacts with the hydrogen peroxide, making it move forward. And what they did is they inserted iron oxide in their head so that they can control with magnets, because this is metal, and they can control with magnets the direction. So we have the chemical reaction from platinum and hydrogen, and it moves in water and in blood, and iron oxide to control the movement with magnets. Now, how do they really work? Like when you introduce them in water, aside from just like wandering around, they have tested in the project that they have this inner glow, fluorescent red glow, that immediately detects toxins, and it can attack the microorganism in water, and it could be harmful microorganisms like the ones found in bees' venom. And in the future, it could help transport medicine and attack microorganisms inside our bodies due to the scale they have. Now, some of the advantages that microfiche has. First of all, it's a detoxifying system. It helps kill and attack microorganisms in water, and in the future, it could be used for human purposes. It can carry medicine. It's a super small scale, and one of the benefits is that it can travel to the part of the body that we exactly need the medicine and not just spread around the body. Fabrication is super easy and fast because you have like the model in your computer and you only need the 3D printer to do it, and it just depends on your capacity of printing these objects, and they can be mass produced since they are models that can be easily transferred to one place to another due to it's just digitally. So in conclusion, we explored 3 points of microfiche. The first one is how is it being developed it was a project in the University of San Diego. and it's using 3D printing and taking it to the next level to a smaller scale. Second, we have the technological aspects of how it works. And third, we have the advantages of how it can help in the future to ourselves.